Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a money transfer using Wise. This video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do a money transfer. Now, if you don't have a Wise account, you can go down in the description down below and sign up using my referral code. And it's going to take you to the home page where you can go ahead and click on the register button at the top right. So in order to register, you need to select whether or not you are a personal user or if you are a business. In this case, I am a personal user, so I'm going to go ahead and select the personal option, and let's go ahead and fill out our details here. Now, once you fill out your details, go ahead and click on the sign up button here. And lastly, it's going to ask us to enter a phone number to verify. So let's go ahead and enter the phone number. Then we just need to enter the 6-digit code that we received. And now we should get this message saying that our account is now protected with 2-step login. Let's go ahead and click on done. So once we sign up, we'll see this transfer page here. We see that we're currently wanting to send 1,000 Canadian dollars, and our recipient is going to get 805.08 US dollars. So let's take a look at what's going on here. So first we have the fee of 2.49 Canadian. Now, depending on what payment method you use, the fee will be different. So here we have the debit card option, which has a much higher fee than using direct debit. So depending on which option that you choose, you will get a different fee. So I'm just going to go ahead and just select the direct debit for now. And of course, Wise is going to take a fee themselves, which is $6.09, and the total fees are going to be 8.58 Canadian. Now, if we look right below this, we're going to see the conversion. So here we see the amount that they're going to convert and the conversion rate here, which is 0.812051. Now, just to verify, if we take a look at this number here and we do a Canadian to US dollar conversion on Google, we're going to see that the conversion rate is 0.81, which is pretty similar to this, which is also 0.81. So the conversion rate is very similar to the one that you will find on Google. And right below that, we can see what the recipient is actually going to get. So this is the number that they're going to actually see in their bank account, which is 805.08 US dollars. And right below this, we can see that it should arrive by October 22nd. Today is October 20th, so this is a 2-day transfer. Now, this date will actually change later on in later steps depending on which options we choose. So we'll get to that later in the video, but let's go ahead and click on continue. So it might ask you to fill out legal details to verify the wire transfer. You're probably going to see a page with a form asking you to fill out your details. Go ahead and do that. And once you do that, it's going to send you to this page, and it's going to ask you who you want to send money to. So in this case, we want to send money to someone else. So let's go ahead and click on someone else. And we have two options here. So we can either enter the recipient's bank details if we know them, as well as their address, or we can uncheck I know their bank details and just enter their email. And basically what this will do is Wise will send them an email asking them to fill out all of their details in order to complete the money transfer. So let's go ahead and use the email option here. And from this point, it's going to ask you to upload proof of your identity. So you can select whatever option here that you want in order to verify yourself. And once you have done this, it's going to take you to a review page where basically we'll ask you to review everything that you're sending. And if everything looks correct, you can go ahead and click on pay. And once you've done that, it's going to take you to the Wise dashboard where you can view your current transfer. Anyway, that's going to basically cover it for this video. If you want me to cover more topics on Wise, you can leave a comment down below suggesting what you want me to cover next. And again, if you want to sign up for Wise, I'll have a referral link in the description down below. You can go ahead and use that to sign up and go through the process that I just showed you. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.